5 daily use English words. Understanding the meaning of some common used English word might help you improve your daily language. So let's get started. First word is besmirch. Besmirch means damage someone's reputation. He had besmirched the good name of his family. Second word is rush hour. A period of the day when the demands, especially of traffic or business at a peak. We got caught in the morning rush hour. Third word is estrangement, meaning the fact of no longer being friendly or in contact with somebody. We can say, for example, her estrangement from her family. Fourth word is absence. Meaning of absence is the lack or unavailability of something or someone. For example, we can say the letter had arrived during his absence.